After the turn of the century, when High Point, North Carolina was rapidly growing as the epicenter of furniture manufacturing in America, D.O. Cecil, the owner of a chain of gas stations, built a furniture plant in the heart of the city in 1920. Nearly 100 years and multiple furniture companies later, this now 76,103 square foot facility still produces some of the finest furniture in the world. History and ghost stories abound its corridors. The only Haworth facility with hardwood floors, the historic building also boasts a spiral staircase and large boiler, which continues to provide heat from wood scraps, and a working steam whistle that beckon generations of woodsmiths and artisans to their benches. But the true spirit of Haworth Seating comes from the skilled furniture builders who apply generations of experience, pride, and craftsmanship to bring true functional artistry to every corner of the world.
My name is Mark Mitchum. I'm an upholsterer at Haworth, and I've worked here for 21 years.
My name is Luke Jones, and I'm the packing coordinator for the packing and shipping, and I've been here with both plants about 40 years. 40 years, yes sir, man. Long, hard working man.
My name is Kelvin Stevenson. I'm actually the loader. Been here like 3 years, but you know, it's like I've been here about 40 years too. I kind of mix in with these guys.
He's my right hand right here. This is my right hand. This is my right hand.
Yeah.
My name is Dania Boland. I've been working at Haworth for 2 years, and I'm the inventory clerk in charge of fabrics, leather.
My name is Lacey Colson Jr. Everybody call me Slick. I've been here at Haworth for wood seating for 40 years. And my responsibility here is chemicals.
I feel like my job is important because it's what I'm trained to do, and that's how I can control my part of the process.
All jobs is important. What you mean, which one? Everything that we do in here is important. We don't have no jobs around here that's not important. Ain't that right, Gil?
My job is important like everybody else's, but it's important to keep the inventory straight because the chairs depends on how much inventory we have.
We all work as a team. You know, it's just like a link change. You know, when a link change is missing, it don't pull so well.
We work as one unit here.
A true team.
That's right.
This is a true team, yeah.
From the very initial phases of conceptual design, the fine furniture built at Haworth Seating stems from a crossroads between functional practicality and timeless beauty. Design sensibilities are closely guarded, as each piece is carefully followed through the manufacturing process. As one of 3 manufacturing facilities in High Point that still brings raw materials into one end and finished goods out of the other, Haworth Seating monitors and ensures quality every step along the way.
I like to think, would I want this in my office? If I don't like it, if I don't want it in my office, I'm certainly not going to set it on the line for somebody else to pay good money for it.
That is so important because regardless of how far the product may come down before it get to us, because once it get to us, we're basically saying the product is ready to go.
We concentrate on the quality of the materials we use, and we concentrate on the quality of work that we put into it. But we also all reserve the right to stop something that is not done correct or doesn't look correct and have it pulled off the line until we can get it corrected. And I've had my own work pulled off the line.
When it comes to me, from the stains operator, well, I'll turn the chair around and look at it, make sure you don't have no scratches on it, make sure you don't have no glue on it, you know, and stuff. And then when I spray it, and then once it come back around out the oven for me to sand it, I make sure there's no runs on it and stuff, no fingerprints on it.
State-of-the-art CNC and material technology enable a precise, durable, and consistent manufacturing process. But it's the personal, hand-applied touches that make Haworth Seating a cut above the rest. Passed down from years of experience in handcrafting wood, paint and fabric, human touch and pride in work is what provides the distinct details and qualities that customers have come to expect.
What makes this job so different than any other furniture factory is because we do stuff mostly by hand.
When I pick up a piece, we have a process we go by. You know, you build it according to how you're trained to do so, but you also look at it and see if it looks right, if it feels right, if everything is right about it.
Well, if they taking care of you as an employee, you will care about the product, you will care about do things right, you care about the quality because they taking care of us and they show us that we need to do things with pride.
Those same human qualities come alive in the Haworth Seating Collaborate and LTB furniture lines. From great conceptual design, precise construction, and painstaking craftsmanship, the pride that goes into the manufacturing of each and every piece that leaves the nearly century-old building reflects the spirit of generations of High Point's furniture history.
If I go into a company and they got some Haworth products sitting on the floor, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look at it and see how good it looks.
Yeah.
And I said, man, I'm proud of this stuff right here, man.
Right, because it's a different
Yeah.
look coming from the warehouse and actually being where it's going. And you had your hands on that. You know, that feels real good.
What pride in this work means to me is because, like, we do a lot of office furniture. So if I went to the office, to the doctor or to the hospital or something and seen one of our products in there, it just makes me feel, look here, this is one of our products. You know, I sprayed this here chair. I seen this here chair. You know, so that makes me kind of proud.
I feel proud. I feel proud to work for Haworth. It's a good place.